Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out planting some hydrangeas today. We're in love with panicle hydrangeas because they flower so long and of course reliable, and they flower every year. This is a variety, a whole range of hydrangeas now named after mountain ranges. This is a variety called Magical Andes. And Magical Andes has got enormous white flowers like that, and they start to flower around the end of June and finish around mid-end of September, so you get months and months of colour. Height on Magical Andes, roughly about a strong metre high by about a metre across. We cut them hard back every spring to encourage them to produce lots and lots of fresh growth every year, and they're reliable and there's no trouble with them. There really is. We're going to put a couple of handfuls of super dry planting fertiliser at the bottom to get this lovely hydrangea off to a good start in life. We have a little bit of swellwell compost as well, going to mix in there, and then we're going to mix some swellwell compost with the soil put back in around the plant again. So there's no excuse for this plant. Make sure to dig decent sized planting holes when you're planting your plants. If you just dig a small planting hole, push a plant in, it's not going to do well for you. I see many what we call professional gardeners out there digging small holes for plants, pushing them in. Make sure if it's anybody planting plants for you, get them to dig decent sized planting holes, or better again, plant them yourself and make sure your plant is planted properly. That way it will thrive and do well for you. So out comes our nice hydrangea out of its pot, and tease the roots a little bit out, they're not bad. Set it in, and we're looking forward to this. You know, it's from the end of June right through until well into September flowering. There's months and months of colour. We're planting it level, the same depth as the surrounding soil, and with some nice swellwell compost and soil put back in around the plant again. So no excuse for hydrangea Magical Andes. It'll do very well for us here in this area. So just take off the label off the pot, glue it on and push it in. Have a look at the flowers again. Enormous big white panicle flowers, very big, plenty of colour and lots and lots of them. And from end of June right through until the end of September at least. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.